phone is turning on and off continuously. Open My Assistant app in your PC laptop. Turn your phone in recovery mode by pressing volume up and power button. Go to Connect with My Assistant using volume down and power button. Connect your phone to the PC through cable. Download the version of MIUI Recovery ROM showing on your screen. Click this button. And select the recovery ROM you downloaded and open it. It will take time to install the ROM. When the install process is done, your phone will start automatically. Unplug the cable. It will take time to open the phone. It's done. The phone is working perfectly.